Welcome. Today in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch from up volume button by double press to up volume button on this device. So now, as we can see, that feature is turned on, and to activate a quick launch to camera app, we should launch the settings application, and after that scroll down to the system section, then tap here to the gestures and click to jump to camera. After that, just click here on the switcher, and now we can see here the message does to quickly open camera. We should press the volume up button twice, so double press, but this works only when the screen is off. So let's just block the device, and now just press twice up volume button here on the right side of your device, and now we can see that the camera application is turned on successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.